Step 1. Downloading the Neat and selecting your data collection method. To begin, click on the Download Tool Here link. This will start an automatic download of a zip file to your computer. In the zip file, you will have several documents, 7 guidance notes on how to use the Neat, a folder with the Neat images, and 4 Excel sheets. These comprise the Neat toolkit and contain everything you need to start using the Neat. Next, decide on your data collection method. You can collect data either by using Kobo Toolbox, a free open source tool for mobile data collection, or by entering the data directly into Excel. If you prefer data collection in Excel, open the Neat Excel data entry file and fill in the data directly in the questionnaire tabs and view the results in the summary tabs. Collecting data with Kobo is easier in the field and allows for multiple surveys to be downloaded and viewed in the same report. Collecting data with Excel is simpler, but may be harder to use in the field and can only display one entry at a time. It is up to the user to decide what is most practical for them. For any queries or additional technical support using the Neat, please refer to the Neat guidance notes or contact the UNEP OCHA Joint Environment Unit.